today's episode of The Wandering Broker, we will take you to this Moroccan house located in Tambo, Samal Island. Background, this house is seated on a 340 square meters lot area with a frontage of 30 meters, and it comes with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and of course there's a veranda upstairs, and of course this jacuzzi. It comes with this jacuzzi. This house will not be complete without a kitchen. So here we go. This is your kitchen area. Of course, this is the lavatory area. This is your dining area, and you have a little porch right over here that's going to lead you out to your jacuzzi. So, you know, while you see other people enjoying their jacuzzi over there, then you will have a view of them. Thanks for watching, everyone, and